Hi, friends. Look at me. I'm teaching in the middle of the day like a normal person. Charlie's down for a nap. I'm kind of up here. So yeah, there's Char. He's sleeping. Buddy's doing well. He's healthy. Got a negative corona test. Woo! So Mr. Mac should be back on Tuesday. Fingers crossed. I miss you guys. Hopefully you noticed there is a Flipgrid posted in our Google Classroom now. So if you have or need to ask questions, post them there. I will try to get to them, even if it means getting to them a little bit later in the evening. But if you post them there, I can address things the best you can. And if you want to say hi, say hi. Like I said, do it in a group. Don't flood me. Okay. What we're going to do is we're just going to do our chapter review today, and then tomorrow on Friday, I've got a practice test for you to do. So we'll work through the stuff together. I'll guide you through both, and then I'm just going to plan on everybody testing on Monday, and then I'll be back on Tuesday, and we'll start chapter 6 fresh. And chapter 6 is short. I may or may not try and just like smash through it before break. So I'm going to kind of ponder that one. I got a feeling the stretch is going to do that too, because we might be a day behind her by the time I get back. But we'll see. We'll figure it out. Okay. Oh, hey, today's assignment, right to it. You guys are going to do 211 through 214 on your own. So here's your homework. This is challenge work, so don't freak out over it. Just do your best. It's a total of 8 problems. Right here is the overview of our unit. We have kind of focused on some things here involving number patterns. We've focused on using letters as numbers. We've focused on simplifying algebraic expressions, and this is where some of the 6th grade work gets into. And then also, and over here also solving for a variable, this whole idea of solving for A or solving for X, okay? Big idea. Algebraic expressions can be used to describe a situation and solve real-world problems. Yes, it's true. It's true. All right, moving on. Oh, this handsome fella's always in the way. All right. Vocab. Use arrows, draw lines. You guys can read and do this one. Hopefully you can read this bit around here. You draw your lines. I'm going to pause, and in 5 seconds, mine should magically appear on the screen. Oh, shoot, you guys aren't doing this on Pear Deck. Wah, wah. So as you fill this out in your notebook, just for number 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, write down the terms that fit. Sorry. We'll get back to pair decking when I get back. Wah, wah, wah. Okay, go. I'm starting in 5 seconds. Okay, a letter used to represent a number is called a vague arrow, a variable. Okay, an expression which contains variables is called an algebraic expression. To find the value of an expression for a given value of the variable is to solve the expression. When the two expressions are compared using greater than or less than, the whole statement is an inequality. If they have the same value, then it is an equation. Okay, and to find the value of the variable that'll make an equation true is to wait. I lied on number 3. To find the value of an expression for a given value of the variable is to evaluate the expression. Oh, and to find the value of a variable that'll make an equation true is to solve the expression. I know, I'm like shattering your dreams and your visions of me as the perfect human, but believe it or not, I do make mistakes once in a while. Cray, right? All right, moving on to the next slide. Boop. No, you get out of the way. You get out of the way. I said you get. Ooh, look at me, I'm dancing. All right, you have 3 skills you're doing here. You're filling out the next 3 terms in a pattern, and hey, you want to see a place where people get things wrong on the test is they only do the next number. For 10 through 13, you're writing algebraic expressions, and for 14 through 17, you're substituting 9 for y. Pause me. As always, you get the 5-second countdown, then I'm going to come and solve them. After I have a sip of coffee, because it's still daytime. Tea is for nighttime. Lukewarm coffee is for never time, though. 3, 5, 7, 9. This looks like an odd number pattern. 11, 13, 15, sure. Here are our pattern is multiplying by 10. So I'm going to go 10,000, 100,000, and 1 million. Plus 1, plus 2, plus 3, plus 4, plus 5, plus 6. Minus 5, minus 5, minus 5, minus 5, minus 5, minus 5. Add 4 to x. I have an x. I'm adding 4. Subtract x from 8. I have an 8. I'm subtracting x. The order matters. X by 7 is just 7x. And divide x by 2. Boop. 9 plus 2 is 11. 9 times 9 is 81. 9 minus 5 is 4. 9 over 9 is 1. Not so bad so far, right? Kaboom. Let's go to the next one. Whew. Just algebra, algebra, algebra. Some of these are going to require some work on. Is this our last slide? Oh, they're bringing the pain today. Okay. Simplifying each expression just means combining like terms. For 22 to 25, you're putting a 9 in for the b, and then greater than, less than, equal on all of them. And then for 26 through 29, you're solving for p. Okay, pause me, and then I'm going to rock the house on this in 5. So you do the work and then unpause me. All right, you got that, you got that, you got that? Cool. Oh, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Boom, here I go. 2a plus a is 3a. 3a minus 2a is a. 5a minus 2a is 3a plus a is 4a. A plus 6 plus a plus 2. A plus a is 2a. 6 minus 2 is 4. If b equals 9, 9 plus 2 is less than 15. If b equals 9, 2 times 9 is 18, plus 8 is 26, 3 times 9 is 27, minus 4 is 23, 26 is greater than 23. Here, b divided by 3 is 3 times 6 is 18. Oh, 2 times 9 is 18. Got equals, and then 5 times 9 is 45, divided by 5 is 9. Oh, sneaky monkey. 9 divided by 3 is 3. Boom. Solving for each equation. This first one, 5 times what is 25? P equals 5. For 3p minus 4 equals 8, 3p minus 4 equals 8. To each side, I'm going to do plus 4. 3p equals 8 plus 4 is 12. 3 times what is 12? P equals 4. Okay, let's put you here. And let me erase this. Shrink my pen tool a little bit so I can work more effectively then. Whoop. Okay, I've got 2p plus 6 equals 4p minus 10. This is where I'm going through 6, 7 steps. Now on each side, the first thing I'm going to do is add the 10. 2p plus 6 plus 10 is 2p plus 16 equals 4p minus 10 plus 10, which is 4p. Then I'll subtract 2p from each side. 2p plus 16 minus 2p is 16, which equals 4p minus 2p is 2p. 2 times what is 16? Or 16 divided by 2, and 2p divided by 2, and you get 8 equals p. Kabooyah. And then finally, 2p plus, oh, I just did that one. Oy, oy, oy. 10p minus 4 equals 8p plus 16. Always getting rid of the minus. There's not always going to be. Uh-oh. Let's pause that. I might have to go and send him to bed. Oh, snuggle buggle. You get back in bed. Look, he's thinking about it. He's got an hour left on not an hour, half hour left on his nap. Lay down, you little monkey. And I went to his other brother's room, but his brother's not there, so I don't know why it's doing that. Okay. Yes, what a good boy. All right. I think my friends were back in business. He lay down again. All right, moving on. I'm going to add 4 to each side to cancel out that minus 4. Plus 4, plus 4, 10p minus 4 plus 4 is 10p. 8p plus 16 plus 4 is 8p plus 20. And I'm going to subtract 8p from each side. 10p minus 8p is 2p. 20 minus 8p is 8p plus 20 minus 8p is just 20. Oh, did I do that right? 10p minus 8p is 2p. 8p plus 20 minus 8p is 20. 2p equals 20. 2 times 1 is 20. P equals 10. 100 minus 4 is 96. 8 times 10 is 80 plus 16 is 96. Boom. See that? I checked my work. Haha. All right, carry on, McCarthy. Carry on, my awesome teacher. Okay. Oh, get out of the way. Okay. Florist buys 12 dozen carnations. What are some ways in which the florist could make bouquets of the same size using all 144 flowers? Copy to complete the table. What are 3 more sizes? And why can't he make bouquets with 10 flowers? Oh, All right, pause me and go. I'll start.